right, y'all. Oh my goodness. This is an amazing quick and easy dinner, okay? And we're doing it today. If you can see back there, I have my air fryer out. So if you hear a little ticking while we're making up our chicken, then it'll be my air fryer preheating. So simple, so quick, just a few ingredients, something that I love, as well as I like the fact that it really does look like a donut, but it's not, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, we have ground chicken here. You can use ground turkey if you like, okay? Ground chicken has a little bit more fat in it, so it works out just a little bit better. And I am having on gloves because personally, I don't care to mash up ground meat with my hands. First thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need 2 eggs. And again, I will have all the ingredients down in the description, which will be below the video while you're watching it. This is so simple, so quick, and so easy. First thing I like to do is once I get my eggs cracked in here, just kind of go in and mix it up a little bit with my hands. Doesn't need to be perfect at that point. I am adding in for my seasoning some of my Pam's Prep all-purpose seasoning. I need to open up the other side. Now we're going in with some Parmesan cheese. And I am using some red hot sauce. If you don't want any heat at all, you can leave it out, but I'm not actually using enough to have a lot of heat. That's just going to provide some more flavor for us. The aroma. Chef Foundry's cookware line features precise temperature control, eliminating any hot spots. Materials that resist warping, scratching, and corrosion. Chef Foundry is good for oven, broiler, and stovetop. Non-stick and easy to clean. Culinary game changer. Welcome to Chef's Foundry. They have a complete line of cookware. Now I have some parsley flakes and some more Parmesan cheese. I'm going to add a little of this parsley to the Parmesan cheese. Just kind of mix that up. Now we're going to go ahead and get them formed and made up. Our air fryer is still preheating over there. And at this point, you just want to take some and you want to shape it into that donut shape. First, you want to make it nice and round. And you can spray your hands or gloves if you want. That will make it easy, not stick. And once I have it like this, I like to just go in and poke that hole right on through. Turn it over, poke that hole right on through. Make it as nice and round as you can, even that hole. Give it that classic donut look. So it should look. Now from here, go ahead, you can put some Parmesan on it. Make sure you keep that hole in there. And pat it all over. Flip it, do it again. And then you want to sit it on a baking sheet or something and just let it sit for a few seconds. We're going to actually put these in the freezer for about 5 minutes. That'll help them set and they will fry up much quicker and easier. Okay, we are out of the freezer. They do not need to be frozen completely. Okay? We've been preheating, but I've turned it back to 15 minutes, and we are on 400 degrees. So the first thing we're going to do, scoot that back a little bit so we get our basket out of here. We're going to spray our basket. Then we're just going to lay a couple in here. Mine will only fit 2 at a time. If your basket is larger, that's perfect. Then spray the tops of them and let it cook. Okay, these should be ready. Oh, they look amazingly delicious. Look at that. Don't they look wonderful? Oh my goodness. Ooh. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Oh my goodness. And they smell amazing. Look at that. No need to turn them over or anything. Look at that, look at that. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Rest of these done. Ooh, don't they look amazing? Look at that, y'all. Oh my goodness. Don't they look amazing? Yes. Look at that, look at that. Oh my goodness. Ooh, they smell divine. Time for our taste test. And I got a little bitty one here so we can have these for our lunch, dinner, whatever it's gonna be. If you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. Take a second and subscribe to the channel. Turn on that notification bell so you won't miss anything. I am almost at 1 million. Help me get there. I really would appreciate it. Returning subscribers, oh my goodness, thank you all so much, coming back in droves. I love it. Thank you so much. Channel members, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for your loyal, faithful support. And speaking of channel members, if you are not a part of Pam's Private Pantry, check it out. We're having some fun over there. Don't miss out on the fun, okay? Whew, without further ado, got my little taste tester here. Yes. Oh my goodness. Ooh, I don't know if y'all can, this is a small one. I don't know if y'all can see the seasoning in there. You can smell it. Smell the Parmesan. I smell my Pam's Prep all-purpose seasoning. And for those who have been asking, no salt and fiery hot are coming out real soon. Pam'sPreps.com. This is so delicious. Oh my goodness. Ooh. And the hot sauce doesn't even provide any heat. I could use a little heat, right? Actually, grab you a dipping sauce for this, whatever you would like. I'm not so much of a saucy kind of person, so I don't use a lot of sauces, but if I were, I'd probably do a spicy mayo, something like that. But use your favorite sauce. My thing is, I'm gonna get a little hot sauce, I'm gonna be dipping it in my hot sauce, okay? I will see you all next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise. Bye-bye.